Subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon, to never miss a video from us. Hi everyone, welcome to Test Prep Training. In this video you will learn about some commonly asked questions in Certified Blue Prism Professional Developer. So let's get started. Question number 1. A process is fed cases to work from a spreadsheet held in a shared drive. The location of the shared drive is different between development and production environments. How should this be managed? Your options are: A. During the build and test phase, hold the development path to the spreadsheet in a data item within a process. When the process is imported into production, it will be opened and the data item will be amended to hold the production path. B. During the build and test phase, hold the development path to the spreadsheet in a data item within a process. Expose this data item as a session variable. When the process is run in production, this session variable value can be set in control room. C. Hold the path to the spreadsheet as an environment variable. D. Pass the path as a startup parameter when the process starts. The correct answer is option B. Window from the browser application appears that you need to work with. When you try to spy the pop-up window and its elements, Blue Prism throws the following error: there was an error during the spying operation. Which of the following would be the most appropriate workaround? Your options are: A. Set the following registry queue. B. Change the scope of the process so that the pop-up window does not need to be automated. C. Create a new separate object that attaches to the running instance of the pop-up, and attempt to spy elements with this object instead. D. Use surface automation techniques to interface with the pop-up window. The correct answer is option D. Question number 3. Which of the following is a recommend tip for dealing with problems when launching and attaching to browser applications? Your options are: A. Use the start process action of the utility environment object to launch the application, followed by an attach stage to attach to the application. B. Hold the target URL in a data item as opposed to it being configured in the application modeler wizard. C. Set the following registry key to 2. D. Use surface automation to automate the application. The correct answer is option A. Question number 4. An action within an object has been written that automates a browser-based application. All elements can be spied successfully and the object runs without defect in Object Studio. However, when ran in control room, exceptions are thrown that indicate elements cannot be found. This is because elements on the web page do not load all at once, they load slowly one after another instead. Which of the following would be the most appropriate to improve the resilience of the automation? Your options are: A. Use a wait stage with the check exists condition at the start of the action before continuing. B. Use a wait stage with the parent document loaded condition at the action. C. Use a wait stage with the document loaded condition at the start of the action. D. Do not spy elements with HTML mode. The correct answer is option B. Question number 5. While trying to read a table in a browser-based application into a collection, an error message appears and the table cannot be read directly into the collection. This happens when using either AA or HTML mode. Which of the following would be the most appropriate workaround? Your options are: A. Spy one cell in the table using HTML mode and make the path attribute dynamic. Use this dynamic element to read the required cells 1by1 into a collection. B. Use surface automation techniques such as OCR to read the table. C. Set the following registry key to 2. D. Use the read HTML action in conjunction with regular expressions to read the table. The correct answer is option B. Question number 6. A PDD has been created which includes a requirement to log into an application called CDS. The CDS application only allows a user account to be logged into the application on one machine at a time. The client wishes to hold the credentials for logging into CDS in the Blue Prism Credential Store. It has been calculated that the automated solution will require 3 resource PCs to enable the case volume to be worked within SLAs. Which is the most appropriate design decision to accommodate the above requirements? Your options are: A. Create user accounts and sets of credentials per resource PC in the Blue Prism Credential Manager for the CDS application. B. Ask IT to enable concurrent logins to the CDS application for Blue Prism user accounts. C. Log in into the CDS application manually and let Blue Prism take over once the login is complete. D. Create a single credential in the Blue Prism Credential Manager for the CDS application. Use a Blue Prism environment lock to ensure that only one resource PC can be logged into the CDS application at a time. The correct answer is option D. Question number 7. When using Control Room, which of the following statements are correct? Your options are: A. A process can be run on multiple resources at the same time. B. A resource can run multiple processes at the same time. C. Only one instance of each process can run at any one time. D. A resource PC can only run one process at a time. The correct answers are option C and D. Question number 8. An attempt to start a process on resource BPO100 has resulted in the following error message. BPO100 is too busy to run that process. Which of the below is the most likely cause of this error? Your options are: A. Resource BPO100 is offline. B. There is more than one instance of the Blue Prism Resource PC command running on resource BPO100. C. The BP server service is not running on the Blue Prism application server. D. A process is running on resource BPO100 that calls a business object with a run motive exclusive. The correct answer is option B. Question number 9. You are working on a Java application. After successfully spying an element in Java mode, the target application crashes when attempting to highlight or interact with the element. Which of the following actions should be tried to resolve this? Your options are: A. Spy the element in a different spy mode. B. Restart the application. C. Install the Java Access Bridge. D. Enable the Dissentry Target Application option in Application Modeler. The correct answer is option D. Question number 10. Which of the following is an alternative to the usual method of spying application elements, when spying issues are encountered? Your options are: A. Application Model. B. Application Navigator. C. Highlight. D. System Navigator. The correct answer is option C. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel.